Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Families that own one know why it's the most awarded minivan ever, and it starts with amazing versatility, along with unexpected power and comfort. The ride is quick and smooth with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. The interior will change as quickly as your day, with stow-and-go third-row seating, making room for all your passengers, or a quick transition for boxes, bikes, and camping gear. Grand Caravan's safety features reflect its precious cargo, protecting all passengers, big and small, with advanced front airbags and side airbags in all rows.
The power liftgate offers automatic rear door operation with the push of a button. The hard disk drive media storage keeps pace with your entertainment and information demands. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you.
Go for the family machine that can handle your amazing but crazy everyday life. Take this Grand Caravan for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.